Hello everybody, I am Kasha and this is lesson 1 in our course. You are very welcome to our group and I hope that you will enjoy the lesson today. So let's check if there is anybody else there. Hello guys, hello and welcome to Eloquent, the first English learning college on social media. Let's hope some of you will be able to join us for this sample lesson. My name is Kasha and I am very pleased to meet you. So I am Kasha. I can also say I'm Kasha. Or if I introduce myself, I can say my name is Kasha. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. You can also say pleased to meet you. I am very happy to see so many of you here. So today I am going to show you how we can all learn with Eloquent, the first professional high quality English learning college on social media. So this is lesson 1 in our course. For instructions on how to do our posts and how to learn with Eloquent, please check my previous video. So once again, I am Kasha. My name is Kasha. Nice to meet you. I am so pleased to meet you guys. Okay, how do we introduce ourselves? When we meet somebody for the first time, we ask their name and we say, what is your name? Okay, and then you say, hello, I'm, and you give your name. Or we say, hi, my name is. So for me, hello, I'm Kasha. Hi, my name is Kasha. And then we say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Or we say, pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Now, you try, guys. So you say, hello, I'm, or hi, my name's. You can put your name in the comments when you are watching this. And then you say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Or you can say, pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Make sure that you try that at home. So once again, hello, my name is. Or hello, I'm, and you give your name. And remember to always say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Or pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Okay, I hope you got that. Remember, our course is for total beginners. So we learn from the very start, the basic phrases. Hello, my name's. Hello, I'm. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Okay, how do we learn in our class? How do we learn? Okay, we learn by listening. You listen. Yes, you listen. You listen. Picture B, yes, listen. You repeat. Repeat. Yes, repeat. D, repeat. So you listen and repeat after me. Okay? You also read. Read. A. You read. Yes? You learn by reading. You read. Okay? And then I can also ask you to write something. To write, yeah, you write with your hand or you type on the computer. Picture C. So you write or type. Okay, and you also speak. Yeah, picture E. You speak. Okay, so once again, I can ask you to listen, to repeat after me. I can ask you to read, yes, or to write, to type, because you are at your computer. So you can type words in English, okay? And I can ask you to speak. It's very important that you speak, because only when you speak, you learn properly. You learn English by speaking. So listen, yes, listen, repeat, read, write, and speak. Okay, so this is the classroom language we are going to use in our lesson. So make sure you know these words. Listen, repeat, read, write, and speak. Okay? Great, guys. Great. And nice to see you all watching this video today. You can watch it again because I am going to post it on our page so you can watch it again. And tomorrow we are going to have a live lesson again at 10:30 GMT. So check events. Yes, check events and you can see our live lesson is going to be there at 10:30 tomorrow. Okay? Hello, Dina. Dina is watching us. So, Dina, this is lesson 1 in our eloquent course. And I have just told people how to introduce themselves when they say, I'm, hello, I'm, or hi, my name is. Okay? And this is what we are going to practice in our sample lesson today. Okay? So once again, look at the pictures. Look, 2 pictures. Yeah, this picture here, we have a man here and a woman, and they meet for the first time, and the man says, hello, I'm Dan. What's your name? Hello, I'm Dan. What's your name? I'm Jessica. Lovely to meet you, Jessica. Okay, once again, you listen and repeat after me. Repeat, you speak, yes, you speak, you repeat. Hello, I'm Dan. What's your name? I'm Jessica. Lovely to meet you, Jessica. Lovely to meet you, Jessica. Okay, now look at the second picture. We have 3 people talking, yeah, and we have people introducing each other. So you can also introduce other people. So have a look, yeah. Hi, Eric. This is Sophie. So we introduced Sophie. Sophie, this is Eric. Nice to meet you, Sophie. Nice to meet you too. Hi, Eric. This is Sophie. Sophie, this is Eric. Nice to meet you, Sophie. Nice to meet you too. Okay, so now you can try. Okay, you try and try to introduce yourself and introduce others. So remember what we had in the previous picture. Okay, so now you speak. You speak. Okay, you read there and you speak. Okay. I'll give you 1 minute to try, and then I will tell you what it is. Okay? So, okay, we say, hello, I'm Dan. What's your name? Your name, yeah? So, my name is Dan. What's your name? Yes? Hello, I'm Dan. What's your name? I'm Jessica, or my name's Jessica. Lovely to meet you, Jessica. Lovely to meet you, Jessica. Hi, second picture. Hi, Eric. This is Sophie. Sophie, this is Eric. Nice to meet you, Sophie. Nice to meet you. Or pleased to meet you, Sophie. Nice to meet you too. Yes, nice to meet you too. So this is what we say when we meet people for the first time. Yeah, when we give our name and we ask for another person's name. And then we also say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Okay? Great, guys. Amazing. You are doing really, really, really well. Okay? And, okay, what else can we say instead of hello or hi? Yeah? We say good morning. Okay, so you listen and repeat. Good morning. Good morning. And we say good afternoon. Good afternoon. And we say good evening. Okay, so until 12 p.m. we say good morning. Good morning. And then from 12 to 6 we say good afternoon. Good afternoon. And after 6 we say good evening. Good evening. Well done. Okay, so you can also say hi, hello, okay, or we say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay, so this was a sample lesson for you guys for today, just a couple of minutes to show you how we teach you here at Eloquent College. So make sure you'll join us tomorrow for every lesson at 10:30. Okay, so our first lesson is tomorrow at 10:30. Please don't miss it. So be there at 10:30. It was so great to meet you guys, and I hope to see you tomorrow. So I say bye, yes, or goodbye, yeah. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at 10:30.